How to use alerts for high rewards. Automated stock alert system generates 3 types of alerts: stock alerts, futures alerts, index alerts. Each alert includes 4 key elements: trigger price, best price, stop loss, and target. What is the trigger price? This is the current price of the stock and index when the system generates the alert. For futures and index alerts, these are the future prices, and for stock alerts, these are the spot prices. What is the best price? This is the price to which the stock might retrace from trigger price. We recommend waiting until the price nears the best price, and if the price then moves again in the alert's direction, it could be an optimal risk-reward trade for higher returns with lower risk. What is the stop loss? This is the price at which you should exit from the trade as the stock does not move as expected. And last, what is the target? This is the price that the stock is expected to reach. The system may provide multiple targets in an alert. We recommend booking partial profit at the first target and holding the position for subsequent targets, adjusting your stop loss accordingly. In addition to these key elements, alert provides other information such as the holding period, trigger time, industry, futures open interest data, options OI data, and a few action buttons to check further insights and an overview of stock. Please note, we are a fintech firm and develop a software to identify momentum stocks based on mathematical and statistical formulas. We are not a broking or equity advisory firm and not advising any investment and trading in any stocks. Sign up today to get real-time alerts on the hottest momentum stocks. Thanks for watching this video.